December 22nd, and only 2 days, you guys, till Christmas Eve. I'm really looking forward to it. Are you? Being with family, eating good food, Christmas Eve and Christmas dinner. It's going to be so nice. We are starting up with Harrods today with actually 3 products. It looks like everything is from MC Skin by Dr. Mariam Samani. First one here is a hyaluronic brightening eye complex. It's an eye serum, this one. And this is 14 milliliters, 0.47 fluid ounces. And then from the same brand, Hydra Bright Gold Eye Mask, brightening and hydrating hydrogel eye mask. This one. And then the last one is a vitamin-infused meso eye mask, soothing and hydrating hydrogel eye mask from the same brand, MC Skin. I wonder if they are a UK company, but it's made in Korea, but I think it's a UK brand. Cult Beauty. It's actually 3 products, but they are small, I can promise you that. So let's start with the first one. It's a sample. It's from Sisley. It's the Black Rose Cream Mask, Instant Youth. Smoothing, plumping and brightening. Apply 2 to 3 times a week. Wipe away any excess after 10 to 15 minutes. From Sisley, 10 milliliters, 0.33 fluid ounces. Next one is from Dr. Levy in Switzerland. It's Intense Stem Cell Eye Booster Concentrate. This one. And from Dr. Levy, you will get 7 milliliters or 0.23 fluid ounces. And then the last one is from U Beauty Resurfacing Flash Peel, and key ingredients are provitamin B5, glycolic acid, and salicylic acid. And this one is actually only 5 milliliters, 0.16 fluid ounces. I don't know, when you get 5 milliliters or something, maybe you have enough of one use, maybe. Who knows? 1 or 2. I really don't like these small testers like this. I don't like that. I wish they had one full-size product instead. And then the 22nd from SpaceNK. That is actually from Hourglass. I love Hourglass. It's Unlocked Satin Cream Lipstick. The shade Sahara. Really nice. Let me swatch a little bit so you can see it. So that's the one. Remember to comment below everything you want. Still have giveaways left. And you may win one of these products in our giveaway. I will be here and there will be new videos both on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. And Christmas Day is going to be a really special one. But I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.